Start by unplugging the power supply and making sure it is completely disconnected. Remove the control panel. The video removal of the screws section will speed up the process. Unscrew the upper screws on both sides and loosen the lower two screws without unscrewing them. Remove the control panel and remove the retaining adhesive from the main control board plug. Unplugging sequence. The white and black wire plugs must not be connected in the wrong position or switched when installed. Remove the main control board screws. Replace the main control board with a new one and remove the extra connectors. No installation required. Install the main control board screws. Connect the main control board wiring. Reinstall the control panel and secure it with screws. Installation complete.